Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison and consumer savvy. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone, and on the right, the TOMZON A23 mini drone. Get ready for a battle of the skies. Buckle up, because we're about to find out which of these little flying gadgets deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. DRONEEYE F10 is rocking a $79 tag, while the TOMZON A23 is just $39. That's almost half the price. TOMZON A23 is already looking like the budget-friendly hero we all need. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, or do you? Now, let's zoom into the camera game. DRONEEYE F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera. You can capture some epic aerial footage and make your Instagram followers jealous. Meanwhile, TOMZON A23, well, it's camera shy. No camera here, folks. So if you're aiming to be the next Spielberg of the skies, DRONEEYE F10 is your guy. Both drones come with some pretty slick moves. The DRONEEYE F10 can pull off 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. TOMZON A23, not to be outdone, can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's like a tiny air show in your backyard. Honestly, it's like comparing a pro gymnast to a breakdancer. Both are cool, just different styles. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie or buying for a kid. DRONEEYE F10 has one key start landing and a one key return feature. Plus, it offers different speed modes for beginners and pros. TOMZON A23, on the other hand, has one key takeoff and throw to go. Yes, you heard that right, throw to go. Just toss it in the air like a paper airplane and watch it hover. Reviewers love how user-friendly both drones are, particularly praising TOMZON A23 for its simplicity and fun factor. When it comes to build and durability, DRONEEYE F10 flaunts a sleek foldable design. But TOMZON A23 is built like a tank with quality tough materials and propeller guards. This little guy can take a beating. Reviewers have noted that, while the DRONEEYE F10 is durable, the TOMZON A23 seems almost indestructible, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Flight time is where things get interesting. DRONEEYE F10 offers stable flight with altitude hold, but reviewers have mixed opinions on its actual flight duration. TOMZON A23, however, comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a total of 18 minutes of fun. Double the batteries, double the fun. Simple math, people. Reviewers generally praise the DRONEEYE F10 for its battery life, speed, and ease of use, although some have noted issues with the camera quality and occasional malfunctions. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 is lauded for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, especially for kids and beginners. While it lacks a camera, its fun features and resilience make it a favorite among reviewers. So, there you have it. The DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone and the TOMZON A23 mini drone. If you're all about that camera life and smooth FPV transmission, DRONEEYE F10 is your go-to. But if you're looking for budget-friendly fun, durability, and some cool tricks, TOMZON A23 has got your back. Which drone are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.